What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I got a set of power tool to review. This is sent to us. So this video is being sponsored and I'll put all the product information down in the description below so you can go check it out. So let's open this up. So this power tool is wireless. So it uses lithium batteries and let's see what do they have. Alright, gloves. High performance cut level 5 menu, 21 volt max brushless power. So this is a looks like extra battery pack that they offer. So this is pretty cool. This is very compact. I have one of the DeWalt power tool at home. That thing is much bigger than this. Okay, so it comes with an actual battery pack, so you get two. Let's see, the charger, a strap. Okay, so parts. Let's see what kind of parts they come with this. There's 20mm socket, 18mm socket, 24mm socket, a different size socket. I guess you can actually put them in here. So they come with 3 drill bits, a gasket, and some, I don't know, screwdrivers. It looks like all the sockets can be safely put inside this container. Now, I don't understand why they didn't just do that to begin with. Maybe just afraid that they will fall off in shipping. But it will be much neater if they just put it in here. And let me see if this will close. Yeah, it closed. So they could just put it there. But then I am not quite sure where this goes. So I wish they mark it somewhere so I know where everything goes. So I have one socket, I have no idea where it goes. But anyway, I'll figure that out later, I suppose. Let me go charge the battery up and then go test out, because we do have 2 cars at home and I work on them. So this will come in handy. Alright, so let's talk about this impact gun for a little bit. The battery pack is here. You just squeeze and you pull and it comes right out, and that's where you're gonna go recharge, and there's an on and off button here. And I like the fact that they already have a light here, so a light tap on the trigger, the light will come on. There are 2 functions here, so one is going forward, one is reverse. If you set it in the center, the trigger will not work. So if you pull it to either end, and that's how it works. So yeah, there's not much to it. It's really simple, and I really like the compact design of it. Now let me show you a comparison. So this is my impact gun I've been using, the DeWalt 20 volt max. As you can see, the size difference. Let me put it side by side. Like, I like to work on my car, but sometimes some spot is just really hard to reach with this impact gun. But with this is much more compact, and yeah, it will work much better. Now, does that mean that smaller would not be as good as the big one? Let me go set it up and find out. But as far as for the size wise, I really liking the compact size. If you ever work on your car, you will know that some spot is just really hard to reach to. If you have an impact gun like this big, well, for sure, I have issues with. But this has been working really well. Oh, and a couple other things I wanted to mention. This thing does come with an adapter, so it's like 3 in 1. So now you can drill screws in and out. and there's drill bits as well. I want to demonstrate both of these impact guns to kind of give you a comparison. Now, I know that the wall will work because, well, I've been using it for years. But at the same time, also I just wanted to show you. Now I parked the car with the handbrake on, and also this needs to be 75 pounds-feet of torque to torque this down. So right now it's at 75. Yeah, so this all of them. Easier to do it this way. Alright, all of them are 75 pounds-feet of torque. It's been torqued down, and let me just show you really quick. So for this one, it's really simple. Alright, it's already out. So. And then now, let me try using this one. Alright, need a few more zap, but it's out. Pretty simple, easy. Yep. Alright, so they're all out. This thing works really well. So yeah, to take out the bolts and nuts, is really good. And also, I mean, you can interchange the socket, right? See, now it's making things even more compact. Alright, so my final thought about this impact wrench. This is really cool. I like it. This packs a lot of value. At the time of filming, this came in at $99 with a $10 coupon. So technically it's like $89 for this whole thing. So not only this came in at just under $90, but it also comes with extra panel battery, charger, drill bits, sockets, and then screw bits as well. So if you compare it to the DeWalt, I believe I got this around for $140, and this is it. This is like what you see is this what I pay for. There's no extra battery. There's not even a charger, let alone sockets. But this does give you a lot of value in terms of getting you started with the DIY stuff at home. As far as for the usage, look at the size, the compact size of this compared to the DeWalt. I mean, this I can work on my car much easier, and obviously, this is much lighter than the DeWalt. Not only being a really good impact wrench, but also when you do drilling and screw in screws, this works really well as well. Now the downside, if I have to pick something that I really don't like, is this. This is the case that come with, right? So look at all those sockets. I think this is where I need to put them into. Now, because it's not labeled, so I don't really know. And I always found one extra one that I just don't know what to put. So it's quite annoying. Like there's a case where I can put in the sockets, but I don't really know where they all go. And why there's an extra, like if I put this one to here, then that one will be the extra. So it's very annoying. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.